do what you've been watching and what you've been doing for years. I'm not saying it can't be done, and he'll probably do it. But it's not easy. So this is a tough deal for the first time for Kyle. But I got faith in him. He's been around the tractor long enough. Dad's coaching him. And what would be prouder than Alan Paulson here on Father's Day to watch his son Kyle put that thing in the lead? Never know. We'll hope the best. We'll all cross our fingers for him and wish the best for Kyle. Dear Diction, Paulson Crest Farms out of Columbus. Kyle Paulson. Dad helping him get the straps tight. The last few words of wisdom, and have fun. Get the chain tight, wind her up, and let her loose. Here we go, let's watch Kyle Paulson's first run.
Woo! Lucky, buddy.